Follow these steps to factory reset iPhone without a password. Let's get in. If you forgot your iPhone passcode or your iPhone is disabled, you can factory reset it without using password. Method 1. Factory reset iPhone via recovery mode. For this process, you will need computer, Mac or PC with Finder or iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Put iPhone into recovery mode. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down. Press and hold side button until you see the recovery mode screen. On a computer, you will see a pop-up in Finder or iTunes. Click Restore, not Update. Wait for your iPhone to reset and install the latest iOS. Once done, set up your iPhone as new or restore from iCloud backup. Method 2. Factory reset iPhone via iCloud. This process requires Apple ID and internet connection. Go to iCloud.com on another device or computer. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Click Find iPhone. Select your device. Click Erase iPhone. Confirm reset. Your iPhone will reset remotely, removing all data and passcodes. Using these options, you can easily factory reset iPhone without password. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.